Welcome back to the channel. To those that are yet to subscribe, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, also make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. Let's take a look at GBP for tomorrow, which is for the 23rd of February. So, like I said yesterday, I told you guys that we would be having a drop on GBP USD. Basically, almost all our GBP pairs literally drop. If you take a look at your GBP JPY, it's dropped. You take a look at your GBP New Zealand dollar. That is one of the trades we actually took on our channel, on our Patreon channel, right? So actually, I grabbed close to 150 pips just for today. So basically, we can see on GBP USD, it's actually dropped. So basically, we can see that almost all our GBP pairs actually drop. So what thing we should be watching out for tomorrow is another drop. So basically, we would want to see, let's see if we can have a drop of about 60 to 70 pips. That is what I am watching out for. So I will be watching out for something on GBP like an impulse move, then a correction. I'll also be watching out for this as an impulse move again, then a correction, that you can see the correction came to our 20 period simple moving average, right? So I would watch this to be an impulse move gain. You can see that this impulse move broke the previous lows, and now a correction has played out that tapped this 20 period simple moving average. So basically, what I'm watching out next is another drop. So this drop, I'm expecting it to actually take out these lows before price will eventually reverse movements, before price will eventually continue the uptrend move. Right now, GBP USD is still dropping, so we would want to go ahead and trade with what we see and not what we think. So for tomorrow, we still expect a bearish move. Till the news will be released tomorrow. So this is the news we will be expecting for tomorrow, which might not really be much, though. During the news there's more high volatility, but we still expect GBP USD to give us a bearish move, especially Thursday, Friday. When you watch out for these 2 days, or when you aim to take your profit on Friday, we should have take out this level, which means if you have to sell, you should actually be able to grab 120 or 130 pips on Friday. So if you can sell and aim to grab your profit on Friday, you should be able to grab about 130 pips. So that is what I will be watching out for on GBP USD. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe to the channel, this is my Patreon channel. Make sure you check the link in the comment section. So today, which is for the 22, we actually took a trade, which is GBP New Zealand dollar. Basically, I also explained why we will be taking such trade for today. I actually gave detailed analysis, both fundamental, both technical, and you can see that GBP New Zealand dollar was the only New Zealand dollar pair that actually gave us much movement. Though we had a movement on New Zealand Swiss franc, no much movement from it, probably 90 pips. We had about New Zealand card, no much pips, but this GBP New Zealand actually gave us about 150 pips, right? It is the highest movement. There is a reason why I selected this, that we will trade this, so we can be able to grab a lot of pips. So definitely we grab that pips. So same thing with silver, we've actually gotten to our target, right? I used risk 1-to-1 ratio. We can see price silver actually went up, then it actually dropped and got to our target. So basically we actually profited from it by using 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. We've also traded on Nasdaq 100. We can see Nasdaq 100 has actually hit our target. So we still have some trade that is still going on, which very much we are going to hit the target this Thursday or Friday. So if you're interested, I'm going to put a link in the comment section. Sign up, become one of my Patreon subscribers. I'm going to give you a best trade. And one thing that is that I'm also going to put a link to some of the trade we've taken. So if in case you want to go there to recap and watch. So that is what we have. GBP USD, we expect it to actually drop. So watch out for a drop on GBP USD, especially on Friday.